Abusiafo me mo bibia akwaba edeba attention TV so and so da Nyankopon e de ache yemienu a ai me de te ha me de fila o fila e de ebesom wo e wa attention TV so na wo de yedwuma bi e de ama me na edwuma ne se won subscribe ya na subscribe e de ama me se wo share so na wa sha makojo papa ne nsa nka attention TV edwuma a ye di bi e hwe ye na wo de ama no so ahwe no so ato edwuma pa wo ye no enso wa adwuntwe bi anase asem bi a na wacha e wo comment section ho e de ama me onim se fila o fila so de ne ekoso social media trends they call entertainment politics ai ohonom ne social issues kakra na me Acoustia Sparkles me de ebesom mo e wo attention TV ebusia mitwa me ho me basisia Abusia me da sepa yes wonya bread tray ma metwa me ho ede ebaye fila o fila esuni midin ene Acoustia Sparkles na me den sem no ebesom mode a I ka me say ye mamu ha se nko ade se obi sowe no be celebrate na so ye dwumede bi adwumede ne ye nwomto ana so yisini a na de Ghana fo dodo na ebenim no na de ye friend celebrate dia na akromia ye say ye na ye celebrities ne hu se sa ankrofo bi say no wo kire wo ho papa ye na so abrantie bakwa oba music industry no mo enche ya na so all wake waves e wa industry no ma and dey obefa ha se na nenwom na ye ba obefa ha se akolekra ni din a ode entertainment industry no mo ene nenwom kro ode ba ye dia na ndie na Black Sherif ana meka no hwasemi na Black Sherif ene Vic ekopie mu e wani ma a hu celebrate na se na oni Nima boys edi agro ne won wakasa ele bi kra wasi nkonwa e kasa ye ma nsem esisi table so mo di nkomo te se obi ne na nnuane de na ye ahomka ebusa yen ko hwe video no embassy a Ebusa mi jide se wankasa ohu senia Black Sherif ene Nima boys ene Vic amuna te ho a wone Nima boys kasa na chese enye celebrity bia na nipa bia o sorry be celebrity a na bia obekire no ho anase wo musa line no na me de twaso a ye Ghana ha no museye ana IGP e de ba se 31st de ya so foi munhwe ye na enkom hye no mo sha wo de Ghana de no munyi mfiri mu na mo nkɔ hye mo kukuom na mo nkasa mo bɔ mpa ye enso so nyoma e bekoso ni na wo Ghana mem ha sei na so edifo no mu bi ante ende enkom hye wo hye ya ma amofie na ebe mabusia ai prophet bakɔ wo Ghana ha no mu sei ono so kɔ hye enkom ani din ene prophet Nigel Gaze ebusia enko hye enkom hye prophet Nigel Gaze e hye embassy ya.
Coming to prophesy. The spirit in me is about to work. The spirit of me is about to work. This year, I am not talking to the nation of Ghana. I am not talking to the people of Ghana. Because of the repressive systems going on in Ghana. I'm not talking to the topographical, geographical land called Ghana. I am not talking to the people of Ghana. I am not prophesying to the people of Ghana or the nation of Ghana. I am prophesying to a nation called Umofia.
Busiami jide se wankasa ote enkom sha a free prophet Nigel Gaze ho edepaye na so anso hwa Obi ye no say years maybe a twetwem kakra ya papa ba ko story ya na nda asofo yi so any politicians there oseme fan chamo kra na nda asofo kasa na otu mani so na nda ebo 9 na hunchim goto sa station ho there na nda ba me sa show no that day na kasa na nda na honorable Kennedy Japan na nda otu mani si asofo so na asofo ba ko a otu mani si ne so ene Nigel Gazi prophet Nigel Gazi and Nigel Gazi abeyi na no aka say na no Kennedy crown no say na we shakra no o semi ye shakra age mate mpacho ebuza me ncheche mu nche yanka se nkotie na prophet Nigel Gazi ekae
that means that you have a hand in operation okokoye
anya masame makese no tie me ma bompa ye tie no because no yam no ye nya obi basa ne ba no he ne TV station or radio station ebi am ne pe medi 37 that be your cast say me a small boy na me mate why employ me mate pacho obi friend nyankopon no be the be engine now. You see, I respected him too much, but in Crawford, if you respect them, they don't respect themselves, and that is how I am. A lot of paramount chief have called me and pay for from a fear me now from me say me fino, but hear me or said me jumano or go me kra hufi because I never son me say Kennedy Japan does not have any evidence on me. I sit on your TV to say because he does not have any iota of evidence on me, Nigel Gazi, or my church. We don't play games here. I'm not a gaming guy. I'm a landed man like his son. And maybe I might even be better than his son because his sons are riding on his shoulders. My father was a bus collector. My father is a bus conductor. My mother is a autombodiani banshee. So for me to ride from that low level to where I am, all you know see. So for paying be a family to me for. Inti na me pese me ja empire na me botia no. Ana nya me nko na me bom pa etia no. Edifo bebre bom pa etia no.
So why then?
O sorry tia nyame adwuma.
Really?
Now Herod sorry tia nyame adwuma no odane gogome. Herod sorry tia nyame adwuma no odane gogome. Me de me ni ho na mu agyan yo. I have no weapons physical, but my weapons are spiritual. And every dawn me come in now if I go on my knees and praying, I curse whoever is after my life. And I curse whoever is after my church. Young man, a message so menjo be kunye. Say me pacho tell them can say, pacho, me chim pray what's on our frame. Pacho, me chim, let's even assume without admitting. Me chu empna una frame. Me yoba. Contract here out you are bound with majibi. Mon can't take Kennedy Japan say onjai prophet onjai prophet Nigel. But I feel way or kabako. Meso TV, make a Facebook, make a 10. Na mimi wo sunsuma wodin ya me obi ani Ghana, obi ani wiase obeka say me ma ba no abeje adro. Bi anya adro na me yuso. Me fi me kwala ase na nso togu me so. E na Awurade ka kire me say wa frɛ me. Na da bia make kese Kennedy Japan. Kennedy Japan abusuafo eni omuntu no fo. Because me en wo sra wo me so. Apam edi machi.
No, but o ka say uhu no na waye ketwa
me ka say me say me hu obi a wanya cancer waye kotwa me mbo ne din ye me mfa ne din sha bragofi me hu my high me mbo ne din ye but me me what ya say that bia me bomb party ano and say so hu nyansa say for him to be in the bathroom to fall down I say wanya tumor no onso nyansa if that is true I don't wish anybody sickness ya re ya mfa nya nipa say me patoti say but Ghana for nya be di madanse say my man nidie Kennedy Japan must know that he's not the only man in Ghana. Listen, if he got balls, people have got balls than him. If you think he has the nerve that he's always ranting, listen, some of us are balls, some of us are bolder than him. You should forget about money. Let me get to his age.
I will see a prophet Nigel Gazi in some so Eddie Fella or Fella and there Eddie SC. Nani na munu meka was the one was some asna Queen Basti Foundation. Queen Basti Foundation, or send the say or this career, a best share one when you be more brother any ejankano, Tinia Crana one, Fabedum na, a Jumano, Encoso. Now Benyano, it was 054-8302985, 054-8302985. Open papa, designer wear, designer shoes there, and show baby. Na Tees Boutique and Cosmetic. Also, I will look my Agape Tarazo, I will look my Agape Tarazo. I will say my money, Monisha, Medasa.